Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, religion teacher, assistant teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 8. And today our topic is K.B.Q. Part 2, and from lesson 7, 8, 9, 11 and 13. Students, keep attention here. I skip 2 lessons, that is lesson 10 and lesson 12, because we are following the short syllabus, and in your short syllabus there is no lesson 10 and lesson 12. That's why we will do from here, from chapter 4. Lecture number 18, HW number 18. Students, last class we have finished K.B.Q. Part 1, that is knowledge based question Part 1, and I told you we will do minimum 3 part of K.B.Q. So today it's going on the second part. Inshallah, next class we will finish the K.B.Q. So let's start all questions from lesson 7, 8, 9, 11 and from 13. So first question is, what is called pride? Answer, having a falsely high estimation, estimation means honor, of oneself or considering others as ordinarily inferior, inferior means lower or less, is called pride. It means every time you are thinking, I mean any of the persons, they are thinking about themselves, I am the best and I know many of the information, I have knowledge, I have all kinds of knowledge, and rest of all they are less than me. They have no knowledge, they have no honor, they have no education, they have no education power, etc. So when the person will think about himself like this, then it will be called pride. Now question number 2, what is called akhlaq-e-zamima? I hope you know this answer. The activities and behaviors which make people disgraceful are known as akhlaq-e-zamima. My beloved students, akhlaq-e-zamima, there are 2 words, Arabic words. Akhlaq means behavior and zamima means detestable, disgraceful, dishonor, indecent. This type of activities are called akhlaq-e-zamima. So whatever you are doing in the worldly life, if the another persons, rest of all persons say this is the indecent activities or detestable activities, then it will be counted as the akhlaq-e-zamima. Now question number 3, what is called tolerance? Showing enduring and respectful attitude towards others' opinion regarding religious or political is called tolerance. Here saying what is called tolerance. Tolerance and patience, some difference are there. Here tolerance means whenever you are gossiping or you want to take one decision and you gather your many friends. At that time, many of the friends can give their opinion, and that can be not applicable, not appreciable or not correct. But you cannot ignore them, you cannot refuse them. When you will honor their opinion, when you will give the importance their opinion, then it will be counted as the tolerance. But every time you will not think my judgment, my decision, my opinion is correct. It can be whatever you are saying, the second person, they are not liking it. So same as whatever they are saying, you should hear them, you should listen to them, then it will be counted as tolerance. Now question number 4, what is called theft? Answer, when someone takes away others' property secretly without the owner's knowledge is called theft. It means sometimes you are joking with your friends, you are mocking with your friends. I mean, by funnily you are taking any pen or book or any tiffin from your friend's bag without his permission. So it's not allowed. So whenever you will take that without the owner's permission, then it will be counted as theft. But according to the Islamic law, there will be not judgment the cutting the hands, because I discussed already in that lesson for minimum 2,400 taka like these valuable things, if you theft, if you take without permission, then there will be judgment of the Islamic law. But generally pen 5 taka or 10 taka or 100 taka valuable things if you take, then that will be counted as the theft. Now question number 5, how many forms of pride are there in your textbook? Answer, there are 3 forms of pride in our textbook. Now question number 6, who is called proud? Students, already we discussed what is called pride. Now who is called proud? Answer, the person who takes vanity and shows pride in his or her activities is called proud. For example, you wear a new dress, and when you wear a new dress and in your heart there being the jealousy, pride, arrogant, I wear the new dress, then that's why you are walking like this, or your figure is very suitable figure, you are very handsome, that's why you are walking very smartly with the arrogance. So whenever you will walk, I mean in every movement, in every activities, showing the pride, showing the arrogant, showing the jealousy, then it will be counted the proud. Now question number 7, why Iblis became envious and deprived of Allah's mercy? Answer, Iblis became envious by observing high rank of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, and as a result he was cursed and deprived of Allah's mercy. Students, I told you almost 2 times when I discuss about this, so I am not explaining why Iblis became deprived, cursed and deprived Allah's mercy, and why he became the envious. So question number 8 is, what is called envy? Answer, feeling jealous of others' property and wealth, honor, good result or high rank are called envy. Question number 8, last class of yours, I mean K.B.Q. part 1, by mistake I given there and I told you. So again I written there, so you can write from here also. So whenever you will see the property of others, your neighbors or your relatives, their property or wealth or education life is growing up or prosperity or developing, then if in your heart become jealous, then it will be envy, it will be counted as envy. Now question number 9, how a scholar shows his vanity? Answer, a scholar shows his vanity through his knowledge. It means educated persons are, highly educated persons are called scholars. It can be the religious scholars or another subjects scholars. So whenever they will think, I know many of the knowledge, I have many of the knowledge of Islam, the knowledge of other religions, the knowledge of Quran, Hadith and general knowledge, etc. So through this knowledge, they can, the scholars can show their pride, their envy, vanity. Now question number 10, among the 3 forms of pride, write any one of them. Already we discussed there are 3 forms of pride, so any one you have to write. That is, one of the forms of pride is to express vanity in attitudes and activities. Already I told you how you are showing, how you will express your vanity by attitudes and activities. Now question number 11, what is the Arabic term of envy? Answer, the Arabic term of envy is al-hasadu. Now question number 12, what is the Arabic term of theft? The Arabic term of theft is as-sarakatu. And last number, question number 13, what is the Arabic term of vanity? The Arabic term of vanity is al-kibru. Students, al-kibru, al-hasadu or as-sarakatu, this type of Arabic, whatever in your book beside the lesson, you have to memorize that, because sometimes it can come as a MCQ or as the K.B.Q type of questions. So you have to memorize, you have to learn that. Now keep attention to the HW number 18, that is any 10 K.B.Q only answer. There are 13 K.B.Q with answer, you will write any 10 only answer. Keep attention. Lesson 7, 8, 9, 11 and 13 from chapter 4. And this is the lecture number 18. That's all for today, my dear students. Don't pick up the question, because you have the question. You can pick up the question, but don't write in your HW copy. You can write in another places. So to abide by your parents, keep practicing at home. Stay safe. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.